Renovating your home's floors can be a rewarding yet challenging task, and having the right tools is crucial for achieving a flawless result. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 must-have flooring tools for your home reno, ensuring that you have everything needed to tackle your project with ease and precision. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, these tools will help you get the job done right. Let's dive in. BOSCH JS260 Jigsaw. When it comes to home renovations, having the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're installing new floors or cutting custom pieces, a versatile saw is essential for achieving clean, precise cuts. The BOSCH JS260 top-handle jigsaw is a must-have tool that offers reliability and performance, making it an ideal addition to your collection. The BOSCH JS260 top-handle jigsaw is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile, high-performing tool without breaking the bank. From DIY enthusiasts to seasoned professionals, this model delivers solid results, especially when you need precision and power on various materials. One standout feature is its 6.0 amp motor, which provides up to 3,100 strokes per minute. Whether you're cutting through wood, metal, or plastic, the JS260 doesn't disappoint. It offers smooth operation with 4 orbital action settings, allowing you to tailor the cutting performance based on your needs, whether it's aggressive cuts or fine, detailed work. The tool's design is both user-friendly and durable. The toolless blade change system makes swapping out blades quick and easy, which is a huge time saver during long projects. Plus, the built-in dust blower keeps the cutting area clean, ensuring better visibility and fewer interruptions during your. What truly sets the BOSCH JS260 apart is its low vibration design. The precision machined mechanism minimizes fatigue during extended use, and the heavy gauge steel footplate offers stability and longevity. The lightweight construction combined with the ergonomic handle ensures that you can handle even the most challenging cuts with ease and control. At this price point, the BOSCH JS260 is an impressive jigsaw that offers fantastic value, combining power, precision, and comfort into one reliable tool. If you're in need of a top-tier saw for your next project, this one is certainly worth considering. TEKTON Wood Handle Rubber Mallet Set. When it comes to tackling a flooring project, having the right tools can make all the difference. One tool that should be at the top of your list is the TEKTON Wood Handle Rubber Mallet Set. It's a game changer for anyone looking to install flooring with precision and care. Whether you're working with tiles, hardwood, or laminate, this mallet ensures you can get the job done without damaging your materials. The TEKTON Wood Handle Rubber Mallet Set comes with 3 mallets, 8 ounces, 16 ounces, and 32 ounces. Each mallet features double-faced solid rubber heads, providing a softened yet effective strike that won't leave dents or scratches on your floorboards or tiles. This is especially important for delicate materials where even a small amount of pressure can cause damage. The set's classic hardwood handles help absorb post-strike vibration, ensuring a more comfortable experience even during long hours of use. Another great feature is the mallet's contoured design, which offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue. Whether you're tapping tiles into place or adjusting floorboards, the ergonomic handle makes it easier to maintain control, even in tricky spots. Lightweight and durable, the TEKTON mallet set is a must-have for anyone working on a home renovation project. It's especially useful for flooring installations, providing you with the precision and care you need for perfect results every time. MARSHALLTOWN Tapping Block. For anyone looking to elevate their flooring game, the MARSHALLTOWN Standard Tapping Block is an excellent choice for ensuring a flawless installation. This high-quality tool is designed to help close gaps between floor planks without causing damage, making it a must-have for any DIYer or professional working with hardwood, engineered hardwood, or tongue-and-groove flooring. What sets this tapping block apart is its ergonomic, ball-shaped handle. This feature makes it easier to grip and maneuver, even during those long, repetitive tapping sessions. The durable, high-density polyethylene construction ensures it can withstand heavy use, and the non-marking textured surface protects your flooring from unsightly scuffs and damage. Whether you're installing new hardwood or simply need to fine-tune an existing floor, this tool will keep your project on track. Weighing in at just the right size, 6 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches, this tapping block is perfect for use in tight spaces and can help you work more efficiently without sacrificing precision. And since it's made in the USA with global materials, you can trust that it's built to last. If you're tackling a flooring project and want a reliable, durable tapping block, the MARSHALLTOWN Standard Tapping Block is the perfect solution. It's affordable, well-made, and will ensure a smooth, professional finish every time. Highly recommended for both pros and enthusiasts. MOONWELL Pull Bar. When it comes to installing laminate, vinyl plank, or hardwood flooring, having the right tools is essential for a smooth, professional finish. One such tool that ensures a seamless installation is the MOONWELL pull bar, a must-have for any flooring project. The MOONWELL pull bar is designed to make your installation process easier and more efficient. Crafted from durable manganese steel, it delivers the strength and longevity needed to withstand the rigors of flooring work. What sets this pull bar apart is its thoughtfully designed short end, which is thinner than typical pull bars. This feature allows it to fit into tight spaces near walls, helping you achieve that perfect, snug plank fit. Measuring 13 inches, this pull bar is perfectly sized for maneuvering in tricky areas while remaining compact enough for easy handling. It's meant to be used with a mallet, allowing you to pull planks together with precision and minimal effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool ensures that your flooring installation looks flawless without any unwanted gaps between planks. The MOONWELL pull bar's robust construction and ergonomic design make it an essential tool in any flooring toolkit. It provides the power and functionality you need to get the job done right, whether you're working with laminate, hardwood, or vinyl plank flooring. For those looking to complete their home renovation with ease, the MOONWELL pull bar is a top recommendation that won't disappoint. White paint pen. Make your creativity shine with crisp, bold white lines on any surface. These premium acrylic paint markers offer vibrant, opaque coverage, perfect for rock painting, ceramics, wood, leather, plastic, fabric, canvas, glass, and more. Designed with an extra fine 0.7mm tip, they allow for precise details, delicate shading, and intricate designs. The quick-drying, non-toxic ink ensures a smooth application without leaks or smudges. Whether you're an artist, student, or DIY enthusiast, these markers make crafting effortless. Use them to decorate wedding chalkboards, personalize gifts, or enhance your art projects. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund guarantee.